Yes, students. Already we learned when a sentence is called statement and how to denote the statement and what is the truth value of the statement, what are the connectivity, what is compound statements, and how to write a symbolic form of the compound statements. After write the symbolic form, you know how to write the truth value of the statement. Now, to write the truth value of the statement, we have seen some tables. So biconditional table is this one, and conditional table and or negation. These 5 tables also we have discussed already. So the sums, we have to define what is P, what is Q, and symbolic form we know the truth values also. Here, instead of the statement, directly the symbolic form is given. It is question number 4 in the first exercise. In this exercise, it is clearly mentioned P and Q are true. It is given P and Q are true. P is true and Q is also true. R and S are false. R is false, S is also false. So, P and Q are true, R and S are false. So, by using this one, we have to find the truth value of the given statement. So, symbolic form is given. So, I am going to replace this much. This P, listen, here it is given, sorry, here it is given P, R, Q and R. So, P, R, Q and R. It is given. So, for myself, P is given true. R. Q. Q is also true and false. R and S are false. So, I am applying that truth value. After applying the truth value, see the bracket. True and false. True and false means the table and table you have to see. In the and table you see the and table true and false. True and false is, listen, and table we will see the and table true and false. So second one true and false is false. So this statement, the statement will write true and false is false. So it is false. Bracket value is false. This step will come. Then true or false. True or false means the or table will see. Or table may true or false is true. So it is true. From table we have written all those things. So listen, the same way, next sum. P tends to Q or R tends to yes. Yes. So P is true. True to true or false to false. So in this one, so first I have written this one. True to true is true or false to false. R to S is second line you have to write false to false. False to false is also true. So true or true is true. The statement is true we can write. Now see the third one. See the third one. Q and R. This one I am writing. Q is true and R is false. It is given for initially. And or negation of P. So negation of true. And yes, yes is false. I have written the statement. Now first one true and false is false and table use करके. Or negation of true is false. Negation table में false, false and false. So false, our false and false is also false. The statement is false. So each and every one you have to see the steps in the table, you have to see and you have to move. Now see the next sixth sum you are saying. Listen, see this sum. First replace the value. First step we are replacing the value where you want to write true and everything. Negation of true is false. Negation of true is false. Negation of true is false. So second step. Then within the bracket false and false is false. So false or false. Next one. It is false or false. Therefore the statement is false. Now see the last one. See the last one. In this one negation is out. Let it be wait outside. Take the bracket value. Negation of P is negation of true. It is R is false, S is false, everything you have written. Negation of true is false. So inside the bracket, here I am doing false and false is false. Or false to false is true. And if and only if false. Yes. Now, negation of false or true is true. If and only if false. So negation of true is false. False if and only if false is this is true. The statement false to false if and only if means that is true. That statement is true. So the how we have find out this false or true means R table we have to see. If and only if false and false. If and only if means the table from you have seen this one from the table. So the table is already given. So false and false. False and false. Last line false and false is false. Using the table only you can go for. Some statement will be given. Using this one only you can write truth table. Truth table. Totally you are going to use this tables only. Listen. Find the truth table. There are two types of sums. One is P and Q will be given. Another one P, Q and R. Three values will be given. If P and Q is given, you just see. Let us see one sums now. Listen. Here P and Q we have to prove this one. We have to prove this one. Here there are two statements are used. One is P, another one is Q. So two statement means what are the possibilities? True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. These are the possibilities. So we will write in this way first. True, true, false, false. And true, false, true, false. ऐसा लिखेगा P value, Q value will be written in this way. True, false will write. Yes. Listen. Now, after writing true, false, this P and Q, it is common. We'll write this one. This is common for all. If P and Q is given, this is the way you are going to write. Next one, see the statement. If then, this is a table. Q tends to be the same table. Listen, actually what is a table? Listen, table is, I am writing in the side the table, just to see. Suppose P, the truth table of P, Q, P tends to Q. ऐसा रहेगा तो. Suppose true, true, false, false. True, false, true, false. A statement made true to true is true. True to false is false. False to true is true, true. Now the same one, Q to P we are seeing. Q to P. True to true. Using this table, it is true. False to true, that is also true. True to false is false. false to false is true. So next we are going for another one. P2, see the statement. Listen, see this statement. We need this one first, then P2 this one. So P2 this one. P2 this one means true to true. If then statement, the same table, true to true. True to true is true. False to false is also true. False to true is also true. All are true in this one. It is called, this one is called the truth table. Now listen, here first see the statement. First see the given statement. In the statement, P we need, negation of P we need. So I am writing P and Q. It is common. True, true, false, false will write. Negation of P. Negation of P means true will go to false. True will go to false. False will go to true. False will go to, negation is also over. After complete negation, you see, first we are going to find out this bracket. This bracket is a negation. Then if and only if table. So first negation of P or Q. Negation of P or Q means R table we need. R table is this much. Listen, R table is both are true, then it is true. True and false is also true. False and true is also true. दोनों false रहेगा तो false. Yes, this is R table. So using R table both are false means it is false. Otherwise rest of all the case it is true. R table. Negation of P and Q. Negation of P and Q we are going to see. So negation of P is already here. Q is here. False to true, true. False to false, false. True to true, true. True and false is true. So one table, R table we have used. Next one, another bracket we have to find out. First bracket value we will find out, then we can go for the negation. P and Q, and table. And table में if both are true, then it will be true. If एक भी false रहेगा तो भी दूसरा false हो जाएगा. So that one we'll see now. Listen, and table. And table means P and Q. In this P and Q, true and true, it is true. True and false, false. False and true, false. False and false, false. Next one, negation of P and Q. Negation of P and Q means, so this is a negation, opposite. True will go to false, false will go to true, true, true. After complete this one, we are going for the final step, that is a sum. We are going to prove whether same or not. Listen, here we are going to compare these two. Where is this table? It is here. This column is here. We are going to compare this one by using biconditional. Biconditional means both are true means true. Both are false is also true. बाकी सब false है. देखो, true and false, false. False and true, false. True and true, true. True and true, true. Bas. Table we are using to solve this much. So I hope you have understand that one. Listen, we are going to practice this sum. Practice this sum over here. Listen. First of all, I'm going to take true, true, false, false. Next, true, false, true, false. And this table, in this table, both are true रहेगा तो true, both are false रहेगा तो भी true आएगा. बाकी सब में ये false है. First, P to Q. True to true, it is true. True to false, suppose, sorry. one more, false to true is also true, and true to false is not false. True to false is false. False to true is true. False to false is also true. Then next one देखो, is this one, this value and q, this one and q. In this and में both are true, it is true, otherwise full of false. दोनों true रहना चाहिए. So first one and this one both are true, both are true, इसके लिए true, false, ये true, false, ये दोनों true, false रहेगा तो false. True false ऐसा आ जाएगा. Now the last one, this one to p, this one to p, this one to p means true to true, true. False to true is also true. True to false is false. False to false is true. So the tables only we are going to use in this one. So true, whenever you are writing p and q are there means true, true, false, false. You have to write in this way. And q is true, false, true, false. So all the four possibilities you will get. Both are true, both are false. First one true, second one false, this one. Then this table you are seeing, ये table में दोनों true रहेगा तो true. And false to true is also true. False to false is also true. लेकिन ट्रू टू फॉल्स रहेगा तो फॉल्स. यस, ट्रू टू फॉल्स है, इसके लिए ये फॉल्स है, बाकी सब ट्रू. द नेक्स्ट देखो, दिस वन इज कंपेयर विथ दिस वन एंड क्यू. एंड इज कमिंग मीन्स यू इमीडिएटली वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट एंड फार्मूला. एंड फार्मूला में एंड टेबल, ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ एंड वी हैव टू सी. द ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ एंड में दोनों ट्रू रहेगा तो ट्रू, बाकी सब all other possibility it will be false. So and table, this one and q we are seeing both are true, it's के true, बाकी ये false है, ये true है, true and false, false. Next this one to p, the same if then we are going to apply, we can get the answer. Now one more sum in the same way we will discuss one more sum. Listen. See. First one. True, true, false. Last one I am writing down. False. Then it will be true, false, true, false. Okay. Yes. Negation of Q. Opposite of Q. Opposite of Q means it is false. It will be true. It is false. It will be true. Next one, left side, P and negation of Q and formula. And table में both are true, it will be true. All other case it is false. Okay. So true, false, ये false है. True, true, true. False, false, false. False to true, ये false. खाली एक ही true है. Then P to Q. P to Q, if then. See, if then formula में what are the cases are going to come? Listen now. दोनों true रहेगा तो true. True to false is false. False to true is true. And both are false, then also it is false. It is that table. देखो, P to Q I am saying true to true, true. True to false, false. And third one false to false, true. Fourth one false to false, it is true. Now in between biconditional formula. Bicondition में both are true, true. Both are false रहेगा तो भी true. All other cases it is false. So it is false. This two false. It is false. Full of false है. Now listen. The same two sums are given here clearly over there. See, the same what we have. I have written over here. The same one we have. I have given the notes in this one. So today we have seen how to, in the statement is given, symbolic form is given, how to find out the truth value. So to use the truth value and apply the connectivity, we have to use the table. There are 5 tables are there for conjunction, disjunction, negation, conditional and biconditional. These tables, you are using the tables and find out this one. This is a basic you should learn. From this one, using this type only, we are going for forming the truth table for the given symbolic form. So if any sum, first we'll see the sum. Here in this sum, PQ is used, so I'll write column PQ. Then we'll see first bracket mein P to Q I want. Step by step we are making the columns. Then P and Q is written one by one. The truth table of conditional biconditional we are using, automatically you are going to get the answer. So the basic sums are here. Now listen, see the second sum. For the second sum, what do we have taken? See, P, we need P, one column, P and Q. Yes, only two variable, we have used 2 statement. Then here we need the negation of P, that's why negation of P, one column. Next, left side is negation of P and Q, both are there. Negation of P and Q. Yes. Next we will go for right side, P and Q, then its negation, then the biconditional property, you are going to get that property. So today's lecture we have seen how to prepare a truth table for the given statement with 2 statements, P and Q. In case one more statement is given, that means P, Q and R, one more statement is given. So in that case also, one more, listen, three different, what are the possibilities you are going to write? First you are going to write true, true, true for 4 true, then 4 false. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, we are going to write. Now, in this one, you will get all the 8 possibilities. All are true, 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 false, true. All the 8 possibilities you will get. Then rest of everything is by using the table. Now, first we will see the statement. Negation of R we need for the calculation. इसके लिए negation of R find out किया. Then first I am seeing this one. P and Q. P and Q. P and Q are R. P and Q ये use करके find out करेंगे. Then R means we use this 2. It is going to come. Then left side is over. Then the right side we will see. First we need the P and Q. P and Q is already we have find out over here. Once again no need. P and Q is already there. Negation of R is also there. P and R. R formula. P or false or true is true. Both are true, true. Both are false, false. That is R table. True, false, true. False, false, false. True, false, true. Both are false means false. So we are using the R table over there. Then at last what is given? See this 2, we have find out this one. Using AND we have to connect. What is a statement? The truth table for AND is, and truth table is this much. both are true, it will be true. False, true, true, false, both are false, all the case it is false. Okay, so it is first one, it is second one, and you have to use in between. Both are true, it is true. True and true, true. True and false, false. False and true, false. True and false, false. False and true, false. True and false, false. Pakisa, false. So only the number of the statement we have to see. P and Q are there, means only 4 columns are going to come. P, Q, R are given, you are going to get 8 columns. Using table you are going to solve this one. So near about 8 sums are in the second exercise, sum number 1. 10 sums are given. So all the 10 sums, before go for the truth table, just refer the truth table of and, or, negation, conditional and biconditional. Wish you all the best.